access Linux. Now first you need to go to the USR SAP. Sorry, small. It's a case sensitive. USR SAP. This is the command you need to run. LL. Here you have SID. This is two called SID. A22, H22. A means application. H means HANA database. Okay. Just connect with switch user. A22, SID, ADM. Means this is command to switch the user. Switch user. SU means switch user. CD means change directory. Directory means folder. You need to come this folder. You need to check what is your SID. Then accordingly switch user to SID ADM. See, spaces are must. Case sensitive. To connected, if you want to check who am I is the command to check which user is connected, SID ADM. Because of Linux, SID ADM user only can stop and start. Now command start SAP space check. See, while checking also, first it will check the DB, then it will check the ACS. See clearly. Checking database. Database is running. Checking ACS. ACS instance is running. Checking D00 means primary application server. The primary application server D00 is running. See the sequence. Same like a start sequence. The checking sequence also. Now if you want to give the stop command, stop SAP is the command. See, first it is stopped D00. Here you will see USR SAP D00 instance is getting stopped first. Instance number 00. D00 means primary application server is getting. See here. D00 is running. When it is checked, it's lost. When it going to stop command, the stop command stop SAP. First D00. D00 instance is stopped. Then ASCS01 is stop sequence. Then it couldn't able to stop the DB. It is failed to stop the DB. Otherwise, the DB will get stopped. This is sequence. Every line is important. Sequence, what it is showing. Every line you need to by heart. See, now I'm giving start SAP. See, when it is coming to the start, now I ran start command only, right? See, start SAP command. See, first it is cross-checked with the DB. The DB is running. DB is running. Then it is went to the ASCS. Starting ASCS. Then starting primary application server. D00 stands for primary application server. Starting PAS. Starting primary application server. This is a start. This is start sequence, stop sequence, and start sequence. And these are the commands. How to check our system SID means the first command, change directory command. How to switch the user? SU command, switch user command. So as per this recording, you just access the server and you just give the stop start. We have some more extra commands. Slowly I will introduce, like I will teach you the commands one by one.